Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn the major components of an agreement grouped into 5 easy-to-remember categories. First category, the work and timeline. This tells us what is being delivered and when it must be completed. Statement of work or deliverables explains the exact goods or services. Schedule baselines give the approved timeline and milestones. Period of performance defines the official window of time to do the work. Second category, performance and quality. Performance reporting explains how progress updates are shared. Inspection and acceptance criteria define what counts as complete. Warranty guarantees the product works as intended. Product support tells what help is provided after delivery. Third category, financial terms. Pricing defines the total cost or rates. Payment terms specify when and how payments are made. Fees and retainer include extra or upfront charges. Incentives reward excellent performance. Penalties apply when requirements are missed. Insurance and performance bonds protect both parties. Fourth category, logistics and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities clarify who does what. Place of delivery and seller's place of performance state where the work happens. Subordinate subcontractor approvals define if extra vendors need permission. Fifth category, legal and administrative protection. Change request handling explains how contract changes are approved. Termination clause explains how to end the agreement early. Alternative dispute resolution is chosen in advance to avoid court. Limitation of liability caps potential damages. To summarize, agreements define the work, the quality, the money, the logistics, and the legal protections. If you understand these categories, you can read any contract with confidence. Thank you for watching.